to start today modified Euler's method. So in this method, Euler's method accuracy is poor. Therefore, we take the Euler's modified method. The accuracy increases in the Euler's modified method than Euler's method. So each of the succeeding approximation is better than the preceding ones and are also called as the corrected value. So modified Euler method is also known as corrected value. Euler method is also known as predicted value. So very important to simplify modified Euler method. To simplify modified Euler method, we require Euler method also. So both the methods come across, and in the last class we have seen Euler method. So here we consider the initial value problem. Dy by dx is equal to f of xy y of x naught is equal to y naught. We need to find y at x1 is equal to x naught plus h. So we first obtain y of x1 is equal to y1. Applying Euler's formula, we get y1 raised to 0 is equal to y naught plus h f of x naught comma y naught. So this is already we have solved this example in the previous class. So this formula is also used in modified Euler method. So to the desired degree of accuracy, we use the following modified Euler formula, where the successive approximation are denoted by. So already in the previous class I have told you that we go for successive approximations. So where the successive approximations are denoted by what? It is y1 raised to 1, y1 raised to 2, and y3 raised to 3, and so on. They may tell you 3 approximation, they may tell you 4 approximation. According to that, however we get the approximation or the successive approximation, we are continuing this to get the approximate values. So what is y1 raised to 1? It is y1 raised to 1 is equal to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 raised to 1. So this is how we simplify 1 by 1, the previous value, y1 raised to 1. Okay. y1 raised to 2. What will be y1 raised to 2, student? It is y naught plus h upon 2. It remains same. F of x naught comma y naught will remain same. Only this value will change, that is plus f of x1 comma f of x1 raised to 1. So similar previous, again we'll simplify. Then we get y1 raised to 3 is equal to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 raised to 2. So like this we go for substituting the previous value in the next approximate values and so on. So we'll go with the example 1. In this example, they will clearly mention that using Euler's modified method, means these 4 formulas you have to write in the above whatever I have given Euler's method 1 formula, and then y1 dash, y2, y1 raised to 2, y1 raised to 3. These 4 formulas you have to repeat for Euler's modified method to find the solution. So here solution of the equation dy by dx is equal to log of x plus y, and they have given y0 is equal to 2. Find y at x is equal to 0.2. with h is equal to 0.1. Yes, please mute your audio, students. Who is there? Please mute your audio, students. Okay. Fine. Okay. So this is our example. It's a very simple equation is given and given conditions are there. We'll start with the solution. First, identify what is given in this question, students. That is equation they have given and why not they have given. Why not is what already it is mentioned. Y0 is nothing but y naught. So y naught is equal to 2. It is given. And what else is given? X naught. Whenever we start the approximation, x naught will remain 0. This is very clear. Initially, x naught will remain 0. Start with the x naught. And x1, whatever they have told you to find, x1 will be 0.2. And h is the interval. It is 0.2. So by Euler's formula, so in the previous example, we have shown you this formula and you have used this formula to simplify. So same way I am going to take here. Y1 raised to 0 is equal to y naught plus h f of x naught y naught is equal to, so y naught is 2, substitute 2 plus h is substitute 0.2 and f of x naught y naught is nothing but given equation log of x naught plus y naught. When you substitute the values, so it is going to become 2 plus 0.2 log of x naught plus y naught is equal to 2 plus 0.2 log of x naught plus y naught. X naught is 0, y naught is 2. So log 2. So when you simplify this, you are going to get 2.0602. Is it clear, students? So this is by using Euler's formula. Okay. Next, we will go for the modified Euler formula. So already you know there are 3 and so on. It is going to continue. First, we will go with the y1 dash. Very simple formula. It is y1 dash is equal to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 raised to dash. So this is equal to plus h upon 2 in the bracket f of x naught y naught. I am going to write this as log of x naught plus y naught plus f of x1 y1 naught is going to become log of x1 plus y1 raised to 0. Substitute the value, students. Y naught is 2, h is 0.2, so 2 plus 0.2 upon 2. Log of x naught plus y naught is nothing but 0 plus 2. Yes. Next, log of x1 plus y1 raised to 0. So simplify. Already we have calculated x1. x1 is given. I am going to take this x1 as 0.2. Yes. And y1 dash I have already calculated. That is 2.0602. So when you simplify this in the calculator directly, you get the answer as 2.0655. So this is how we get the y1 dash. So we'll go with the next one. Very simple formula you have to remember. y1 raised to 2. y1 raised to 2, here student it is given y naught plus h upon 2 in the bracket f of x naught plus y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 dash. So this is how you have to simplify. You have to first write the formula and practice. So every time I am repeating the formula because you have to remember this formula and practice again and again. So every example I am writing the formula. So please in the exam also you see that you write this formula so that you don't make any mistakes. Then substitute now. We'll simplify this y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught y naught. Already you know that it is log of x naught plus y naught, students, plus f of x1 y1 dash. y1 dash is the previous value. Remember this, student. So log of f of x1 y1 dash is going to become log of x1 plus y1 raised to dash. Then substitute the values one by one. Y naught is 2. To take 2, h is 0.2. X naught you know 0. Y naught you know 2. X1 is 0.2. y1 dash is nothing but 2.0655. So when you substitute all the values, the equation will be like this. So 2 plus 0.2 divided by 2 log of 0 plus 2 plus log of 0.2 plus 2.0655. So 2.0655 from previous value we have taken. So y1 raised to 2 is going to become 2.0656, students. So this is very, very simple. So next, we got the again accurate approximations. You can see from the Euler's point of view, modified Euler's method is accurate answers we get. Now the last we are going to have, that is y1 raised to 3. So y1 raised to 3 formula you have to remember, students. So y1 raised to 3 is equal to y0 plus h upon 2 f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 raised to 2. So y1 raised to 2, we are substituting the previous values. Remember this, remaining all terms will be same, only y1 raised to 2 we have to take from the previous approximations. So now substitute here the values. Already you remember y0 is given, it is 2, h you know 0.2, then f of x0 y0 is nothing but log of 0 x0 plus y0 or log of 0 plus 2 plus f of x1 y1 raised to 2 is nothing but log of x1 plus y1 raised to 2. Okay, substitute the values, what we get? We get this as log of 0.2 plus 2.0656. And when you simplify, when you calculate in the calculator y1 raised to 3, we get, student, it is equal to 2.0656. So you can see y1 raised to 2 and y1 raised to 3, we are getting the similar answer, or it is nearer to the approximation. So we get this as y of 0.2 is equal to 2.0656. So I'll just repeat once again. In brief, I will tell you in 2 minutes. Yes. So modified Euler's method, what we have, we get here initial approximation dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y of x0 is equal to 0. So x1 you have to remember x0 plus h, that is Euler's method, you know. y1 raised to 0 is equal to y0 plus h f of x0 comma y0. So the desired results, to get the degree of accuracy, we take the successive approximations. So that is what we say, it is nothing but modified Euler's formula. So by using this y1 raised to 1, y1 raised to 2, y1 raised to 3, these formulas and so on, if it is possible, we'll continue this. By using this formula, we'll simplify the first example, that is using Euler's modified method, obtain the solution of the equation dy by dx is equal to log of x plus y and y0 is equal to 2. So these are terms given. So we'll take let y0 is equal to 2, x0 is equal to 0, y1 raised to y1 is equal to 0.2, h is equal to 0.2. These are all given. So using the Euler's formula, y1 raised to 0, that is the initial, we get 2.0602. So in modified Euler's method, by simplifying this, substituting the value, we get y1 raised to 1 is equal to 2.0655. So means we are getting every time, students, it is accurate answers or successive approximations we are getting. You can see 2.0602 is now going to become y1 dash is equal to 2.0655. So in the next, you can just see y1 raised to 2 is equal to y0 plus h upon 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 dash. So like this will continue with the y1 raised to 3. So y1 raised to 3 is equal to y0 plus h upon 2 f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 y1 raised to 2 is equal to 2 plus 0.2 divided by 2 log of 0 plus 2 plus log of 0.2 plus 2.0656. Substitute the values, just student, and calculate. In the calculator, you are going to get y1 raised to 3 is equal to 2.0656. That is our answer, student. So this is very simple, and it is clear now how the Euler's modified method has been solved. Okay. So this is how what we have calculated in the previous example. Now we'll start with the